Nikki. Hey y'all. So for those of you who watch my vlogs, you know that 6 months ago, my family and I relocated to a different city. It took us forever to find a house, and when we finally did, school had already started and life just took off from there. With a 10-month-old at the time, I hardly had time to organize my office space. So what I'm about to show you is a complete mess, and I need y'all not to judge me. I didn't want to go into the new year with clutter, so over the course of 2 days, I made it my mission to declutter my workspace. I feel strongly that if your workspace is cluttered, then so are your thoughts. Therefore, it's hard to be as productive as you can be. So brace yourselves. Yes, I put a warning sign here because it is a warning. Y'all, look at this mess. I know y'all are already judging me. So this is what I'm dealing with. I have to unpack boxes, file documents, put them into the file cabinet, organize my accessories, my desk, my vanity, and my bookshelf, as well as shred some documents. And I hate shredding documents, by the way. So I decided to start by putting everything in a tub and putting things in its proper place. Then I moved on to picking up all of my shoes and put them in their place, nice and organized. After I cleared the floor, I decided to move on to my desk area to get it organized. Then on to my favorite part, which is my vanity area. I did this DIY vanity back in 2014, and I just created the same setup here at our new house. I'll leave the link in the description box of the YouTuber who inspired me to do this setup. So I saved the worst for last, which is shredding papers. I so hate this. So here's everything, all neat and organized. I finally feel like I've freed some space in my mind to start the new year off with positivity. I put up some inspirational sayings just to keep me motivated, and I'm ready to write out my goals. The next order of business is to gather all the things I need to create my vision board. So to see how I create an effective vision board, make sure you're subscribed and your notification bell is on, because I'll be posting soon. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.